Okay, a next interesting features in this version is when we inherit objects like REST partner, HR employee, and REST company, then a special menu and action will be created if we have the field that is differentiate or setting the type of this partner type, right? So if the field name is prefixed with is something, then a special menu with this partner type, for example, is created with the default filter is partner type is true and a context default is partner type to 1, so that when we creating a new partner for this type is then the type is automatically filled with true. All right, so let's check the example. This one is more example. All right, so this one is an object that is inherited from the REST partner, and then we have the is a calon siswa field, which is a boolean type. So this is what I mean as a partner type. This one is a calon siswa type, right, of a partner. And then when we generate this one, this is the inherited object, and it has the is something something field that define the type of this partner, right? And then when we generate this one in the PSB add-on, all right, the model first we check that calon siswa, right, this one. Of course, it will have the additional field that we define here, right? One of this is calon siswa, which is a boolean. All right, and then when we have this kind of field, the generator will generate a special XML file for this object. Well, this one, the calon siswa. All right. First, we have the menu item, right? With the action that has the domain for the filtering that only display the partner that has the is calon siswa is true, right? And then when we create a new partner, then this is calon siswa is automatically filled with a true field, right? And then in the form itself, in the inherited form, which is based on the view REST partner, we will insert a new page for this particular type that is taken from this field calon siswa. The type name is calon siswa, and then the additional field is displayed here as usual. The one-to-many is located in the right, and then the normal field is located on the left, right? So when we open this add-on, the PSB, for example, there we will have the calon siswa menu, which is actually a REST partner, right? But automatically filtered, only displaying the is calon siswa is true, right? This one. And then we will have the new tab that define the detail of this particular partner type, which is calon siswa. And then we have the agama, suku, kondisi, ayah, ibu, and so on. And then the left side is the normal field that we define in this object or this class, right? Okay, and when we create this one, and okay, the field is located here, the partner type field is located here, which is true right now. So when we create a new partner below this menu, for example this one, and then we save this, then we will have the is calon siswa field defaulted to true because we created from here. It will be different when we for example open this siswa menu, which is actually inherited from the REST partner as well, this one, but it has an additional field which called is syswa, right? So when we open this REST partner object from this menu, from this syswa menu, then we will have this one, is syswa is true, right? And then when we create directly the partner from under this menu, for example, syswa number 1, and then we save this, the is syswa field is automatically filled with true because of the uh, default action field under the action, right? This one, default is calon siswa is true, or and when we, if we open the siswa, this one, default is siswa is true, and then filtering is looking for the is siswa is true, right? So this is the next interesting updates for our generator.